Welcome back, my brothers and sisters, to this beautiful channel Explore. Today, I stand before you to make you understand the topic. Basically, it's not a topic, it's rather than it's a feeling. You know that most of us are in the aim or looking forward to get into NDA, but some of our brother couldn't make to NDA, and some of us are fully dedicated to go in NDA. So this video is basically for both of them, like whose age is being crossed after 19 and who is like going to appear in the NDA, for both to feel and experience the thrill in NDA. I have talked with the people in NDA, like I have a friend in NDA. I had the conversation. I cannot reveal the privacy because of his private concern, but he has said me in the message. One of my colleagues has said me how the life goes in NDA. So I will be explaining you each and everything which can make you to feel the thrill in NDA. Brothers, you can also experience by training your body and feeling what the sensational things are going in within you that the cadet of NDA feels. So to make you understand and to make you feel what they feel, I will take you to their routines. So when I talked with him, he said slightly it matches with the Sainik school, which we all have experienced, like Sainik school boys, and those who haven't, then they can go for Sainik school routines. It is much more simpler, like equal to that, but here is some adaptation because of their strict senior and more focus of arm budget to the NDA. So morning wake up call is given in NDA at 4 AM, and after that till before the breakfast they are trained in their physically, or will be having any special class which they have, like morning period. That is the first period we called it. And after the breakfast, soon after the breakfast, they rest for the classes. Like before breakfast, of course they go for bath, because the PT, while they are doing PT, they sweat a lot because it's hard. You have heard, you have gone through the video also, which has NDA has released. To make you feel, I am here to have the inner conversation. Understanding? In video it's too formal, but your brother stand here to have the informal conversation. Not informal, I will say with the joy you can have. With the joy the conversation goes on, and after once the breakfast gets over, the boys of each stream, like army boys are allotted BSc and BA degree, they go for these classes, and Navy candidate are allotted with BTech, and same way is for Air Force. Once the class gets over, all the squadrons are now ready to fire for their competition, like they go for the preparation. And you know, to lift the banner, or within our school also, when we have inter-house competition, it's hard, and also they try their best to upcome and show their power and talent and their capability, and they prove their blood how they are powerful. Same way they also train themselves too hard. It's too hard. My brother has said that it is being tough, or shows the strength and measure your metal. I again repeat, it's measure your metal, how hard it is, it's how malleable it is, how it can be adapted. Once that period is finished, like same way they may have that tea break, but most of them, the seniors are too strict. My colleague has said now he is in NDA, he is no more with me, he is in NDA. And once that is done, they will be having prep, like preparing themselves, training themselves. They also go like us, whatever we study in the normal colleges, just they are being treated extra special, because their service is different from us, or maybe same if we clear the CDS. Brothers, after once that is done, it is like for all the armed force aspirant. First they try for NDA. Once they couldn't make it, they look forward for CDS. So what I want to convey here is that when you miss out the NDA, it doesn't means you lost your hope. Your hope is still present. You train yourself as NDA cadet is being trained, and when you meet them at CDS, make sure you lift the sword of honor there. You train yourself in a such a way that I want to convince. Once the dinner is getting over for them at 8 o'clock, then again the senior treatment goes on at night. Most of the time they go to sleep at 3 o'clock. My brother has said in a day they go for sleep hardly for 4 hours. That is tough. So they are being trained so hard, so they bleed less in the war. So those who haven't cleared in NDA and those chances as no more, they can. I still pray to God that God must help them to get into NDA, and don't lose hope, my brother, and be prepared, be focused, and be hopeful. First, be hopeful that you will make it. Thank you. बंद कर